Hello and welcome to HW News. The Indian economy continues to be in a shambolic condition right from the pre-COVID days till today. The deadly second wave of COVID-19 and subsequently localized lockdowns meant that the little bit of momentum which the economic cycle was gaining post the initial unlock had also been disturbed. Amidst all these tough times that the state and central government's treasuries are facing, the GST Council, headed by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, met on Saturday and announced some key decisions with regards to the tax levied on COVID-19 related items. In this video, we will understand the decisions made by the Council specifically pertaining to COVID-19 related commodities and what are the key points put forth by the respective state finance ministries. Let's begin. Now, the GST Council met on May 28 after almost 7 months and had a lot on its plate to discuss, including relief to taxpayers, filing of GST returns, and tax on COVID-19 related items. Specifically to COVID, the Council in that meeting waived off IGST on import of COVID related items till August 31. Amphotericin B, the drug used for treating black fungus, was also exempted. Notably, other items like sanitizers, PPE kits, testing kits, were at that time in the GST bracket of anywhere between 12 to 28%. Several state finance ministers were divided on the issue of either waiving GST off completely, something that states like Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Kerala pressed for, or slashing the rates on them that states like Gujarat suggested. Basically, to resolve this deadlock, a group of ministers, GOMs, was formed headed by Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad Sangma and included ministers from Goa, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Odisha, Telangana, Kerala, and even Maharashtra. The council was asked to submit its report in the next meeting. Now, the composition of this GOM itself invited certain criticism. Punjab Finance Minister Manpreet Singh Badal had urged the centre to include Congress representatives in the GOM and criticized the skewed balance of BJP versus non-BJP states ratio in the GOM. And now, about the meeting.
The selection into a GOM is never made on party basis. Neither is the exclusion. There are several GOMs. Several ministers are made members of a GOM in which all states are given some representation in one or the other GOM. Neither the inclusion nor the exclusion happens on political party affiliations.
The GST Council on Saturday reduced tax rates on most COVID-related supplies and offered tax exemptions on medicines for treating the black fungus infection that will remain in effect till September 30, 2021. The detailed charts explaining the revised rates are available on your screen.
GST on medicines like amphotericin B has been waived off completely, while a 5% GST is being levied on remdesivir and any other medications prescribed by the Union Health Ministry. For all oxygen generation equipment and related medical devices, including concentrators, ventilators, and also other items like testing kits, the GST rates have been slashed from 12% to 5%. For other COVID-related relief material like sanitizers, temperature check equipments, gas or electronic furnaces for crematoriums, the rates have been slashed from 18% to 5%. While for ambulances, the rates have been cut from 28% to 12%.
As for vaccines, GST will continue to be charged at 5%. Sitharaman clarified that this will have no bearing whatsoever on the 75% procurement of vaccines that the centre will do under the new vaccination policy, and that it will be free for all eligible citizens at government centres. However, GST will have to be paid by those who go to private hospitals for vaccination. Meanwhile, the demand of some opposition states for zero rate on COVID relief items was not taken into account by the central government. And this charge has been levied by finance ministers of Punjab and Chhattisgarh in particular. Congress finance ministers walked out before the meeting concluded to express their disapproval of the council's decision on the GST rate that was slashed. Manpreet Badal, in particular, he slammed the centre for continuing to collect GST on items like gas or electric furnaces used in crematoriums in such a time of crisis. Other issues raised by the opposition governed states, including Chhattisgarh, included compensation period extension and raising of borrowing limits. They were not taken up by the council in the meeting, and this was alleged by the Chhattisgarh Finance Minister T.S. Deo. Tell us what you think about this in the comment section below. If you like this video, please press the like button, comment below it and share it with as many people as possible. For more news and updates, log on to www.hwnews.in. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.